Hello, in this video I want to show you a technique to draw a perfect cube in perspective. First, we draw an arbitrary horizontal line which we call horizon line or eye line. The next step is to draw an imaginary line to determine the station point. Now we duplicate this vertical line and change its angle to 30 degrees with the help of the angle section on the top of the screen. Because our field of view is 60 degrees, we use two 30-degree lines. The next step is the selection of vanishing points in a two-point perspective. For this, we need two lines that are connected at an angle of 90 degrees. We draw an arbitrary vertical line at one of the intersection points of vanishing lines, which we consider as one of the sides of the cube. In the next step, we duplicate two lines with the same size as the side we considered and place them at the 90-degree angle on both sides of the vertical line. So this is measure line. Now the most important step is to determine the measurement points whose distance from each vanishing point on the horizon line is exactly the same as the distance from each vanishing point to the station point we considered. In the next step, we connect the measure points in opposite direction to the ends of two horizontal lines that are the same size as the sides. Eventually, as you can see, we have enough points to draw the cube.